Hello, welcome to my channel. Thanks for tuning in. Today I'll be showing you a really yummy and delicious recipe how to make homemade fish filling. I totally love this. It makes my life so easy as a mom. So this is how I make my fish filling, and I just store it up, and it's really handy and practical. We're just going to get right into this. These are all the ingredients I'm going to be using. I'll list everything down below. So real quick, I fixed my fish, taking out the guts and the gills and washed everything up. You can see how nice and clean it's looking. So this is a really easy and affordable way to include healthy fish and yummy sardine flavors into your kids' meal, easily, be it their pancakes, their omelettes, the sandwiches. This is a really easy way to just add that in their meal. So once I'm done cleaning up my fish and taking out all the gut and everything I don't want in there, I just add it to a pot, add in some water. I seasoned with some garlic and ginger paste, some curry, one seasoning cube and some salt, and I'm just stirring this lightly. I'm going to let this cook for about 10 minutes or so until my fish is ready. Once this is ready, I'm going to go ahead to just try to take out the bones and transfer my fish into another bowl, as you can see. So you want to take your time at this point, and you just try to take out as many bones as possible. Try to fish out all the bones. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. Of course I had to eat that one. So this is what I had, and you can see all the bones I took out. Of course I'm not going to include the head because that has lots of bones in there. So once my fish is in here, I'm just going to go in with a fork, and I'm just going to mash this up until I kind of shred it out. So while doing this, of course, you're still going to spot a few bones. Be sure to take it out as you go along the process. If you come across any bones while doing this, ensure that you take it out. So if it's your first time here, thanks for stopping by. You're totally welcome. Feel at home. Please don't forget to like and share this yummy video, okay? So after mashing up my cooked fish, this is what it looks like. I added 2 eggs and I added 1 sardine just to build in that delicious and yummy aroma in there. And of course I had a little bit of stock left from cooking my fish, and I added that in as well. I didn't show that in this video. That was just about a tablespoon or so of the stock, just to make everything nice and yummy. So I'm just going ahead to combine everything nicely, and you can see what it looks like. This fish filling is so practical, so yummy for busy moms. This is so handy. Preparing this fish filling like this and saving in your freezer is so handy, so practical. You can easily throw in a cube while doing the kids lunch, their pasta, their omelette, their sandwich, whatever. It just adds in lots of flavor and makes it richer, and it's really easy to use. So this is how I prepare my fish filling basically for my kids. I wrap this up nicely using a plastic cling wrap, and I save this in my freezer, and every morning I will just pop out one and I just add this in whatever I'm doing for them, and it makes it so yummy and so nutritious. It just makes whatever I'm doing better and adds more flavors in there. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I totally love to make this fish filling, and just store it up like this. It's my own homemade sardine in quotes that I use, and it's so nice and yummy and so affordable, of course. So please don't forget to like and share this video. Stay tuned for more yummy videos, guys. Bye.